Quasars can kill galaxies, yes. The universe is like a huge, empty ocean with only a few islands of galaxies scattered around. But it's not as empty as it seems. Most of the atoms in the universe are actually floating between the galaxies, in what we call the intergalactic medium. The intergalactic medium is like the roots of a massive tree that spreads out from each galaxy. It's made up of hydrogen and helium, which are the basic building blocks of everything in the universe. These atoms come together to form sheets and threads of gas that flow into galaxies, where they eventually create stars. But if we take a closer look, we'll find something very powerful in the universe called quasars. They are the most powerful objects we know of, even more powerful than a trillion stars combined. They are like tiny specks compared to the vastness of the universe, but they live in the centers of some galaxies. Back in the 1950s, astronomers noticed strange radio waves coming from different spots in the sky. They called these sources quasars, because they looked like stars but emitted radio waves instead of visible light. Quasars were mysterious because they flickered, gave off high-energy X-rays, and moved really fast. We realized that quasars were actually incredibly far away, billions of light years from us. In fact, they were the cores of galaxies in their early stages. To appear so bright and loud, quasars had to be thousands of times brighter than our entire Milky Way galaxy. They were like monsters, screaming and exploding into space with an unimaginable amount of energy. As we explored the sky, we found over 1 million quasars, and they all seemed to be very far away. Since light takes a long time to reach us from such distant places, when we look at quasars, we're actually seeing what they looked like a very long time ago, when the universe was much younger. Quasars get their incredible power from supermassive black holes. Every galaxy seems to have one of these black holes in its center. But how can black holes, which trap everything that goes near them, be the brightest things in the universe? Well, the light from quasars doesn't come from inside the black holes themselves. It comes from the space around them, where a swirling disk of gas called an accretion disk exists. Quasars use matter, the same fuel as stars, to shine. But black holes are incredibly efficient at converting matter into energy because of their strong gravity. When matter falls into a black hole, it speeds up and releases a tremendous amount of energy. This energy is much greater than what stars can produce through nuclear reactions. In a small region around the black hole, the core of a galaxy, more energy is released than from all the stars combined.